If you're looking to be more calm, more in control, and more confident with the way you're spending your time, more efficient and effective getting things done, then I've created something just for you. Hi, I'm Clare Kumar, Productivity Catalyst, and for the past 15 years I've been working with leaders, their teams, and busy professionals, helping them be more organized, more productive, and more successfully integrate work and life. For you, I've created Productivity CPR. These are strategic steps you can take towards sustainable performance and boldly away from burnout. I've seen too many leaders, high achievers, and successful people give too much, tax their systems, and effectively burn out. So no matter where you are on this continuum, from having a day where you've been busy but feeling like you haven't got the right things done, to experiencing full-fledged burnout, which is a paralysis and overwhelm and ultimately disengagement, I want to stop the progression in that direction. And I want to offer you simple to remember methodology that will help you be sustainably productive. And what do I mean by that? It's all about making sure you can hold on to your energy, protect your resources, be resilient, manage your mojo. It will talk about honoring your capacity so that you can set effective boundaries to preserve the energy for the things that are important to you. So what do I mean by CPR? We know CPR is an effective medical intervention for a catastrophic situation. And because that path towards burnout is so prevalent and so dire, we need something drastic here too. But in our world, CPR stands for C is compass, P is performance, and R is ritual. Let me give you a quick overview of what that means. Compass is all about setting intention. So if we're clear on where we're aiming, we can align our energy and our resources to get there. If we're in fact doing activities which take us in this direction, but in fact we want to be heading over here, then how much energy and lost resources are there? Performance is all about managing our attention so that we can bring it to those intentions we've just been so clear about. And this is where my biology degree starts to make some sense. I've long been interested in the way we are as human animals, the way we interact with the world, and how that melds together to bring our best to the world. And so I'm a deep student of this, and I want to share all my learnings that have gone to inform what I call productivity table stakes, 8 specific ingredients you need to understand your relationship to so that you can then be sustainably performing. R is for rituals, and I choose the word ritual with care because I think it brings honor to those things that we want to repeatedly engage with, the practices, routines, habits, if you will. But rituals brings a sense of honor, and the whole point of rituals are to optimize our execution. So we look forward to completing the tasks which we've said are important and that we've chosen to bring our attention to. So if we're setting intention, managing attention, and optimizing execution, you will be sustainably performing and keeping your energy up, and that's what I want to bring to you. So the format is going to be an online program over a few weeks. You can dig in for more information on that, but it's going to include video. It's going to include exercises which prompt self-reflection, because this is about you understanding you and developing a methodology and a way of doing things which will serve you from now and years to come. It's also going to include a Facebook group with a live Q&A from time to time where I will jump in and engage with you to answer questions. And of course, that will be recorded and be available to you. So if you want that calm, control, and confidence, you want to know that you're executing with efficiency, and ultimately you cultivate and create the fulfilling life that you deserve, then I hope you'll see me inside the program. I hope you'll share this with someone if this comes to mind as something that would be helpful for them. I'd love to engage with you and offer you this program and support you on your journey to sustainable performance and ultimately a very fulfilling life. So thanks so much, and I'll see you inside.